Hey friend, happy Taco Tuesday. Cheers. Boop. Yeah, I know I'm so silly. He's looking at me like I'm crazy. But that's okay. It's okay. Happy Tuesday. So we tried out something new, something a little different. I had some Birria sauce in the freezer. I made up my ground beef with some taco seasonings. I have some cheese on the side. So this I here I have my baking safe dish, which I lined up with some foil paper, threw some sauce down. Next time that I do it, either I'm gonna add more shells on the bottom or not put the sauce on the bottom, if that makes sense. It's a tad bit soggy, but so delicious. So here I'm building, adding the meat on each taco. It's a pretty big pan. I had 4 on top, 4 on the bottom, so 8 in total. Adding the meat. I did put the tacos in the microwave for about 35 seconds. And this is makes them easier. Tortilla, actually. This makes it easier to take apart. Corn chip tortillas by Birria. So I'll put a little insert there before I post this video. So then I love sauce. So I added more sauce. And then we're gonna go in with some. I had the 6 cheese Italian, and I also had the double cheddar by Sargento. Cheeses that I had available in my fridge, they're just fine. So I'm adding some cheese, sprinkling all over. Also, I'm going to add what us grown-ups love. Well, some of us grown-ups, some pico de gallo. But I'll only do it to a few because I know the prince is not going to eat that. And it's fine with me. More for me. So as I continue to add the cheese, I also have my oven preheating on 350 degrees. Still piling on that cheese. I have the oven heating at 350. I'm just going to stick it in the oven between 10 to 15 minutes and let all the cheese and the sauce and everything incorporate together, and it's going to be delicious. So you see here I have my tomatoes, red onions. I also added some garlic, some fresh garlic, some cilantro, and a little lime juice to my pico de gallo. You can add what you like. I like a lot of garlic, and it's good for you, so why not? So here you see me topping it over with the double cheddar, which had the white cheese and the yellow cheese. So delicious. So after it comes out, there it is. Nice and melted. I'm going to put a little sour cream on top. Add a few little lettuce on there. Give it a little crunch. And there you go. It's Happy Tuesday, guys. Like I said, next time I'll probably do a little different, but it's a good try.